Greetings. Today I'm going to discuss Retatrutide, the longevity breakthrough. The ultimate goal with Retatrutide is a complete metabolic reset to enhance one's health span, not just fat loss, which is a bonus or side effect. It is more of a longevity peptide than just a weight loss peptide. Think of it as a biological reprogramming tool that can help repair damaged metabolism. If we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Dr. Max McLeod, aka the Nutrition Ninja Doc, founder of MyBodySymphony.com and ARTC.Health. While he continues to research and explore new and better ways to help his patients achieve their health, performance, and appearance goals, I'm here to convey his knowledge and insights about health, healing, and regeneration. Doc Max believes in using technology constructively to improve efficiency and results. That's why he uses this AI-generated avatar to educate and inform. Before we get into it, please leave a like on this video if you find it helpful. And if you haven't already done so, please hit that subscribe button because it goes a long way toward helping spread these health-related presentations to more people. A key distinction is that Retatrutide activates 3 receptors, GLP-1, GIP, and glucagon, whereas semaglutide is a 1-receptor agonist, GLP-1, and tirzepatide is a 2-receptor agonist, GLP-1, GIP. GLP-1 is a glucagon-like peptide, GIP is a glucose-dependent insulinotropic peptide, and the third component of Retatrutide is a glucagon receptor agonist. The glucagon receptor agonist, which activates glucagon, is the real game changer that makes it so powerful at resetting and restoring proper metabolic function. Unintentional weight and fat gain is a sign of a broken metabolic signaling system with chronically elevated insulin, leptin resistance, dopamine addiction, hypothalamic inflammation and dysfunction, and reduced mitochondrial output. Retatrutide resets the entire system that makes you fat, rather than just burning fat. It addresses the body's natural tendency to prioritize muscle loss over fat loss during calorie restriction because fat is seen as vital energy storage. 1. Repairs insulin signaling. It repairs insulin signaling at the receptor level. Second, restores leptin sensitivity. It restores leptin sensitivity in the hypothalamus. Semaglutide and tirzepatide reportedly do neither. Third, activates glucagon, increases basal metabolic rate, liberates stored fat, increases hepatic beta oxidation, and boosts energy expenditure while you're doing nothing. This is a major differentiator since most people spend most of their day sitting on their butts, essentially being sedentary. 4. Enhances mitochondrial function and biogenesis. It cranks up mitochondrial function and biogenesis by activating PGC-1 alpha, leading to more engines to burn more fuel and increased energy capacity. 5th, crosses the blood-brain barrier, BBB. This is a critical point. Retatrutide acts directly on the CNS, specifically the hippocampus and hypothalamus. This is cited as a reason for improved impulse control and a restored reward system, rather than just appetite suppression. 6. Reduces neuroinflammation. By acting on the brain, it reduces microglycation, turns down the volume on the inflammation that's making your brain dumb and your emotions completely unstable. Think of glycation kind of like rust. Glucose or fructose binds with amino acids, fatty acids, or nucleic acids that eventually become AGEs, advanced glycation end products, which create and drive oxidative stress and inflammation, and functional damage to tissues. This contributes to damage to all tissues, including skin wrinkling, joint stiffness, and arterial stiffening. 7. Improves sleep and circadian rhythm. GLP-1 directly decreases inflammation in the hypothalamus, the command center for hunger, metabolism, and circadian rhythm, leading to better sleep and healing. GIP synergy. When GIP is paired with GLP-1, it enhances lipolysis rather than storing fat, making the body use fat as fuel. It restores intelligent insulin release. Aging is defined differently by various experts, but is basically the accumulation of cellular and mitochondrial damage from a wide variety of factors. As mitochondria stop producing enough energy, to maintain the cells will begin degenerating or may even go into survival mode, aka cancer. Additionally, aging is associated with decreased insulin sensitivity, a decline in all hormones except cortisol, a decline in protein synthesis, and loss of capillaries and mitochondria. The gist is that cells can no longer properly maintain themselves and regenerate. That means accelerated degeneration. Retatrutide reverses it. It is claimed to reverse conditions like PCOS, type 2 diabetes, and hypothalamic dysfunction. Of course, no such claims can be made at this point. It addresses factors contributing to early death: insulin, visceral fat, hormonal collapse, gut dysfunction, mitochondrial decline, brain degeneration, chronic inflammation, and insulin resistance. Based on all of this, Retatrutide may just be the biggest longevity breakthrough yet. Think of it more like a metabolic reset peptide rather than just a weight loss peptide. Dosing starts at 0.5 to 1 milligram per week, greater than to 2 to 4 milligrams per week after 4 weeks, then to 8 and 12 on subsequent 4-week increments as needed. Once the ideal weight is achieved, many will benefit from a smaller maintenance dose of 0.1 to 2.5 to 7 milligrams per week. As always, reach out for more information about our health enhancement programs, including bioidentical hormone replacement and peptide therapy. Call 9418-065-511.